Good morning, Gauri.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. So, in the last session, were you there for the session in the last part, what we have done? Will you please tell me in short what we have completed in the last part of this chapter?
फोर्थ चैप्टर ना मैम कॉग्निटिव प्रोसेस शायद आपने कंप्लीट किया था लास्ट पार्ट में नहीं थी मैम मैं
Okay, okay, you are not there for, okay, fine. So, I will just have a short revision of it. So, when we say the word emotions, what comes to your mind after hearing the word or after just reading the word emotions? Is there any connection with the human nature?
या टू एक्सप्रेस
So, what to express? Expression of what?
हैप्पी सैड
Okay, happiness, sadness, and
एंग्री
okay. So, what are they? What are they?
इमोशन
Emotions. Yes. So, so just tell me, what will happen if there are no emotions in human life? How will be the life? How will be the human life if there are no emotions? How will be the life of a
बोरिंग
person if there are no emotions?
सो
Okay,
बोरिंग
boring, colorless. Okay, fine. Good. So, emotion plays a very important role in human life, basically to express the feelings. Okay. So today in this chapter, we are going to study different theories of emotion and concepts of emotions. Okay. So let us start. First, understand what exactly the word emotions is in psychological term. Okay. Now, let's understand what is emotion. Emotion is what? Emotion is a term which has its own importance in human life. Emotion is a term which it has its own importance. It is a word which is having great importance in human life. We cannot imagine, a human life cannot be imagined without emotions. As I have asked question, how will be the human life without emotions? Yes, it will be very colorless, meaningless. The life will be very meaningless with the emotions. Yes, just as food appears tasteless without salt, life is meaningless with emotions. Do you agree this?
यस मैम
There is no food to the there is salt to the taste. That is, if there is no salt in the food, if there is no salt in the food will be tasteless. Because चटपटा जो है जो important, because उसकी वजह से टेस्ट आता है, कोई चीज नहीं है, सोडियम नहीं है फूड में. So how will be the life without emotions? It's also meaningless, colorless. Yeah. So without emotions, life will be
यस
boring, monotonous, and mechanical. Monotonous means meaningless. Yeah, there is no meaning for the life. So emotions makes our life colorful. Do you agree this? Emotions makes our life
यस
colorful. Yeah. So colorful.
यस
When can you say that emotions makes our life colorful? Can you give me an example?
इमोशन
Emotions makes our life colorful. So when can you say, or when can you say that our life is colorful? Basically, colorful. When we say color, basically what?
पर्सन हैप्पी
Yeah, happy, cheerful, joyful. So when you are happy, what happens? How you find the environment?
We find environment, happiness, all over.
Yes, when you are happy, you find that the people around you, the environment around is also happy. But when you are sad, when you feel sad, everything will find that everywhere you will find sadness everywhere. When you are
Yes,
happy, you will find happiness everywhere besides your surroundings. When you are sad, you will find sad everywhere besides your surroundings. When you are joyful, cheer, even when you are angry, you will feel like just remove your anger on somebody else. The person who comes in front of you will start shouting, screaming, and yelling on him. So why? What are
yes,
these emotions? Why it happens? Because it's a psychological. Yes, this is a psychological behavior of a person. So depending now, so depending on how we handle and express them, they make our life purposeful and meaningful. I repeat again, depending on how we handle, yes, how we handle and how we express them makes our life purposeful and meaningful. Yes, see, when say a human being is having a life with full of emotions. Sometimes they will have sadness, then they will be having a being of happiness. Sometimes they will be angry. So what it is? It is a psychological behavior. It happens. It's not decided. It's not decided. हाँ, अगर आज मैं खुश हूँ तो कल मुझे गुस्सा होना ही है. मैं कल गुस्सा होंगी तो मुझे परसों उदास होना ही है. Planned. It happens naturally. Is it clear?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So depending on how we handle and express them, make our life purposeful and meaningful.
Meaning,
So if you are sad in your life, when you are sad, that doesn't mean that you will be facing sadness. You have to give up somewhere and you have to find a way to be happy.
yes,
Is it clear? Last time also we had while psychology only like had a discussion. You were also there, Muskan were also there. So you teacher, I feel that I am in depression. Yes, yes, yeah, Gauri, I'm asking you, my dear.
yes, मैंने बोला तो.
Ha. So when I have asked, when I will be asking you questions. Just answer me. Why do you
Yes,
feel
ma'am.
like you are in depression? That means there is more that you are more movements or there are many things besides you happening like you that makes you sad. Is it?
Yes,
ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें आपके आजू बाजू होती है आपकी फैमिली आपके आजू बाजू में होती है जो आपको उदास करती है ऐसा है
yes.
या डियर टेल मी फास्ट कम ऑन
Yes, ma'am.
ऐसा कुछ है जो हाँ तो फिर अभी साइकोलॉजी लेक्चर है तो आपको बोलना है यू हैव टू स्पीक आउट देन ओनली वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट प्रॉब्लम इज अबाउट सो ऐसा होता है कि आपको डिप्रेशन में चले जाते हो आप ऐसा आपको लगता है
एकदम भी नहीं, मेरे फ्रेंड्स है मेरे साथ भी का. मेरा एक फ्रेंड है, वो मुझे हमेशा उससे बाहर निकालता है. ही इज
बाहर
ऑलवेज
निकालते
विद
बोलेंगे
मी.
तो कैसे बाहर निकालता है
मतलब मुझे हमेशा चेयर करता है वो. जब भी मैं सैड होती हूँ वो मेरे साथ रहता है हमेशा. मुझे पॉजिटिविटी देता है.
Okay, fine. It's good, na? So you have to be with such kind of people. You should
Yes,
be there,
ma'am.
wherein your positivity will be built up.
Yes.
Yes? Ha, good. Now, just coming back to the lecture, let's understand history of emotions. Now we are going to study history of emotion, few theories as well. Our life is full of emotion. We all live at the mercy of our life emotions. Yeah. Now our emotion is influenced and shape our desires, behavior, and above all, our destiny. Yes, it plays a very important role. Even though if we are sad in our life, we have somewhere we have to give it up. If we will not give it up, sadness, if we will not give up negativity, whatever the negative emotions are there, won't give up. So what will happen? There won't be positivity, won't be built up in ourselves. We will never cope up with this negativity. So we ourselves have to work out on this. We ourselves have to overcome this. Yes, wherein somewhere we have to make our own desires, we have to shape our own desires, we have to our own life to a good destiny. Understanding? So this
Yes,
was been given, this line given by Dr. T.P. Chia. Now, historically, different theories have tried to understand the relationship between our emotions. When we say our emotions, our thinking, and our behavior is a very important role. Now, see, I just want to give an example over here. When we are sad now, when we means as a human nature, each and every person has the same behavior, but the only thing is that reaction point of view will be different. The person react to a particular situation will be different. You and me as a human being, when I am sad or when I am having some tension, what happens? The tension, it is going on in my mind, back of the mind, that questions are being arranged, the questions are going on, and because of those questions I am disturbed, and the thing what I am doing, I just get lost while doing that particular thing. I just get lost and I start thinking, what was I doing? It happens with you.
yes,
If you have any problem, the problem is there inside your mind, in your brain, the problem is going on. When you are doing a particular thing, the problem is going on inside your mind, and somewhere you find that you are lost somewhere, wherein you are doing a particular thing and you have lost, and you just sit for a moment and you think, "Okay, what was I doing?" Have this
yes,
happened with you sometime?
yes,
ऐसा कभी हुआ है आपके साथ में कि आपको
yes,
कुछ
ma'am.
टेंशन है, आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, प्रॉब्लम आपके दिमाग में घूमते रहे, लेकिन वो प्रॉब्लम घूमते रहते हैं, आप कुछ कर रहे हो और वो प्रॉब्लम घूम रही है दिमाग में, पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे ना आप खुद आपको समझ में क्या कर रही थी, तो उस वक्त
Yes.
आप क्या करते हो? ऐसा मुझे एक एग्जांपल बताओ कि ऐसा हुआ था, आपको ये था और आप से चल रहा था एंड देन यू जस्ट फॉरगॉट इट. कैन यू शेयर वन ऑफ द एग्जांपल?
अ, ज्यादा तो स्टडी करते वक्त ही होता है. मैं तो स्टडी करने बैठती हूँ पर सोचती कुछ दिमाग में और ही चलता है फिर मेरे.
स्टडी करते वक्त होता है?
हाँ.
नहीं, मुझे क्लियर नहीं हुआ है आपका, आप वापस बताओगे?
पापा वाले बार एक मिनट.
गौरी, प्लीज बी लाउडर एंड क्लियर. यस जिया, प्लीज बी लाउडर एंड क्लियर. लाउड एंड क्लियर. चलो बोलो जल्दी, बिकॉज साइकोलॉजी लेक्चर है, यू टू बी, यू हैव अप.
एग्जाम्पल बताना जरूरी थोड़ी है मैम.
यस जिया, कम ऑन, टेल मी.
अरे अभी कुछ सूझ नहीं रहा है मैम मुझे.
नहीं, आपने भी बताया था कि स्टडी करने वक्त मुझे ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करती हूँ मैं.
हाँ, कभी कभी सोचती हूँ किसी के साथ झगड़ा हो जाता है या फिर
ऐसे
कुछ हो
कौन से
जाता है
प्रॉब्लम?
तो.
ओके, झगड़ा हो जाता है तो आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ओके फाइन,
हाँ, कि गलती मेरी थी,
तो आप झगड़ा भी
ज्यादा
करते
शाउट
हो?
किया. तो हो ही जाता है ना कभी कभी.
ओके ओके, सो देन यू फॉरगेट दैट व्हाट वर यू डूइंग, राइट?
यस. या फिर कुछ ऐसी चीज हो जाए मेरे
हाँ.
सामने.
ओ, हाँ. ओके फाइन. नाउ we will just have one, okay fine. As a human nature, it happens because when you meet with someone, you just get blank in between, then you just sit quiet till the time it's normal, and then you start with your own routine, whatever it is. Okay, so it happens in a different situation, person to person, it differs. Yeah.
यस.
Now further we will be studying, as we have seen the lines by Dr. TB Chia. Now we are going to study theories different theories given by different psychologists and we are going to understand what emotion is. Okay. Now, let us see, there is a theories of emotion, a diagram theories of emotion. There are three different psychologists, James and Lange theory, Lange psychologist, Cannon Bed psychologist, and Shankster Singer psychologist. Now, according to them, let's understand what are the different theories given by them. So the first theory, James and Lange theory, that is the psychologist William James and Carl Lange believed that we experience emotions. We experience emotions because of our psychological arousal. Yes, psychological arousal. Psychological arousal means what? When a person gets excited, active, and attentive. This is psychological arousal wherein a person gets excited to do one particular thing, being an active. Me first, I will be doing. It happens in the classroom basically. When teacher says something or some responsibility is being handed over to the students, in the class of students, there are few students who are jumping. The teacher, I will do, I will do. So they are proactive, they're very excited, yeah,
Yes.
and all the students are attentive in the class. So according to them, we don't cry because we feel sad, but feel sad because we cry. So what, according to James and Lange, what are they saying? We don't cry because we feel sad. Yes, we don't cry because we feel sad. We are feeling sad, so we are crying.
Yes.
Because see, sometimes now when we are happy also now we have tears. Have you experienced this?
Yes.
Sometimes when we are happy now we also experience tears in our eyes because we have never thought about this and we have achieved that or we have got it. That times it happens.
Yes.
Understanding? खुशी
Yes,
के
ma'am.
आंसू बहते हैं ना?
हाँ. Give me dialogue.
Yeah. The next theory is Cannon and Bart theory. Walter and Philip Bard disagreed with James. Now, psychologist Cannon, Walter Cannon, Philip Bard said that they don't agree with what James Lange is saying. Yeah,
Yes.
saying the only psychological arousal will not lead to experience a particular emotion. Yes, only the psychology being excited or being active or being attentive won't be. This are the psychological arousal. This won't be the only reason to get the person emotions. Yes,
No.
यही कारण नहीं होता है कि वो पर्सन वो इमोशनल हो जाता है. But according to them, according to Anand and Balt, we may experience the same psychological arousal, but emotions are different. Yes, as I've told you, that feeling sad or crying, when a person is sad, so the person cries.
Yes.
What they said first, the person cries because the person is sad.
Sad.
This won't be the reason. The
Yes.
person is sad and so the
That's
person
why.
is crying.
Yes.
A person's emotion differs in situation to situation. Yes, when a
Yes, ma'am.
person have participated in an intercollegiate competition or an inter what we say, a competition at a greater extent, for example an Indian Idol or a competition being telecast on the television, that particular competition, if a person have participated and a person after participating, after winning, if a person is going to get a good amount of cash prize, and that person who have participated, he have never or he have never got any such kind of award in his, but as he have participated, as his friends have forced him up, motivated, as his friends have motivated him, that you can do it, as you are a good dancer, you can do it, participate. So he got motivated, and because of his friend, when he is participating, उसके friends ने उसको motivate किया, if you are dancing good, you should participate in this competitions. Once that person got motivated, participated, and after participation, when he was his name been declared as an winner, the person started crying on the stage itself when his name was declared. At that moment, a person's heart is completely filled of emotions. He becomes emotional. You might have seen on the television, and when you're watching this
Yes.
competition, it happens.
Yes.
Yeah. So we don't cry only when we are sad, but we also cry when we are pleasantly surprised or extremely happy.
Happy.
Yes, it happens because it's in nature in human psychology. So when we experience an emotion, our sympathetic nervous system interprets the stimulus, the behavior, which leads to a psychological arousal like crying, palpitation. Heart palpitation means heart beating of heartbeats. It starts beating on a speed. So the same information is also encoded in the brain by which we become aware of emotions. When such particular thing happens now, our body starts behaving, starts reacting in that particular situation, in that particular. Now, Sachtet and Singer two-factor theory, that is, many researchers, including Scatchater and Singer, accept the thoughts that we also contribute in the experience of emotion. According to them, our facial expressions provide feedback to our brain concerning emotions. Yes. Can you give me any example of this? Our facial expressions provide feedback to our brain concerning our emotions. It's a simple statement. Can you give me any examples for this? Our facial expression shows what kind of emotions, yes, what kind of emotion is there, is going on. Now, when you are happy, pay attention. Huh? When you are happy, what will be your facial expression? When you are happy, how will be your facial expression?
A big smile.
A big smile. When you are angry, how will be your facial expression?
Very much angry.
Very much angry, wherein
गुस्से में
your
एकदम.
eyebrows and your forehead will be in a manner. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
So, in other words,
Yes.
the facial expressions are not only the result of emotion, but also capable of influencing our emotions. Yes. By looking at our face, the front person will be able to understand what kind of emotions are we facing through or we are going through. So, smiling more frequently over a period of time can, in fact, make you happier. Yes. When you want to have a good expression on your face, it's better to have a good smile on your face. The smile itself makes you happy. The smile makes your itself makes your face pleasant. Yes or no? Now
Yes.
here there are different images I have of different emotions. So as per the color, I will be pointing out the color. You have to tell me which kind of basic emotion it is. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So shall we begin with?
Yes.
Okay. So green. When I say say the word green, green color,
Green.
the emotions which is there green in color. Yeah.
Confused.
Confused. Okay. Yellow.
Angry.
Hmm. Blue.
Blue. Happy.
Blue makes you happy. Okay. Then pink in color.
Pink. Shock.
Shocked. Okay, fine. That means surprise.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then
Yeah.
black.
Black. Black. Black.
What did you say for the green? Yes, Gauri.
Green.
The first one, what did you
Confused.
say?
Confused.
Not confused. You can see the lips. No.
Sad.
See
sad.
the lips, how it is. Yes. So the green, the facial
Sad.
expression with green in color, the person is sad. Yeah, I was just talking you, I was just asking about that one. Can you tell me about the black one?
Black कंफ्यूज दिख रहा है अभी तो.
No, fear. डरा हुआ नहीं
सिर्फ
लगता है
मुंह
आपको?
खुला कर. हाँ,
हाँ,
आईज में देख के वैसे ही
might
लग
have
रहा है.
seen something horror.
यस.
And the purple one?
पर तो किसी पे गुस्सा दिख रहा है. नजरें घुमा रहा है इतनी. पर्पल वन.
Purple one?
डोंट नो मैम.
No?
नो.
Disgust. That is, he's having something in your mind, something in his mind going. Disguised, confused. What you say now?
कंफ्यूज.
Now I
ओ.
will be reading. This was activity number one. Now we will be the second activity, wherein I will just reading few statements and you have to tell me which kind of emotion it is. Okay?
यस.
Yeah. Now let us understand. Samir had a disagreement with his best friend. I'm just reading it once again. Samir had a disagreement with his best friend over where to go for a picnic. Situation got heated up. That means what? His friend
समीर.
and himself, that is Samir and his friend, they were just deciding where to go for the picnic. While deciding what happens, the situation has turned up and they got the situation got
सिचुएशन.
changed. The situation turned into frustration, disagreement
यस.
came up. So what kind of
डिसएग्रीमेंट.
emotions Samir and his friend was facing? Which kind of emotions did they come across?
डिसएग्रीमेंट ना.
Which kind of emotion did they came across?
फ्रस्ट्रेशन.
Disagreement, fight,
यस.
the
शाउटेड.
situation got heated up.
यस.
They had a harsh conversation between them. I'm just giving you a clue. What kind of emotion it will be. Think of it.
इमोशन कौन सा होगा.
हाँ तो इमोशंस मुझे बताना है. समीर और उसके दोस्त के
डिस्गस्ट.
डिस्गस्ट. नो नो,
एंगर.
won't be disgust. सोचो. Pardon?
एंगर.
एंगर, क्योंकि वो सोच रहे थे, वो डिस्कशन हो रहा था कि at which particular place to go for a picnic. He was saying to him, not agreeing with his places, with his opinions, and the front person, the Samir, was not agreeing with his opinion, and friend was not agreeing with Samir's opinion. So the situation turned, and they just had a fight between them, and so the situation had heated up. The word heated up tells us that they had a fight between them, with maybe a harsh conversation, something like that, and the situation turned into anger. Is it clear? Now,
यस.
just tell me, it's Ria's 18th birthday today, and her friends have given her a surprise party. Now, just think about your birthday. Your friends are giving you surprise party. What will be your emotion over there?
हैप्पी.
Pardon?
हैप्पी और
Yeah,
सरप्राइज.
okay. Now, हाँ, सब happy होगा, not surprise.
ओके.
Now,
हैप्पी.
Sumi has, pay attention now. Sumi has come to know that she has failed in exam and she is figuring out how she will convey this to her parents. Yeah. She has failed into her exams. She had failed in her exam. The academic have failed, and she is just thinking the question is going in her mind that how can tell this to her parents. So what is there? The feeling of
फियर, डर गई होगी
fear.
क्या?
Yes. हाँ. फिर now Rohan recently had a breakup with his long time friend with whom he was loved deeply. With whom he was in love deeply. So क्या होगा? दिल टूट गया.
सैड.
Yes. So how Rowan will be in a trauma?
यस.
Sad, yes. He will be in a trauma of sadness. Understood?
यस.
Now, now just the next one. Ashmeet suddenly saw his school best friend across the street after many years. Yes, after many years, if you're someone, one of your classmate,
सरप्राइज.
so how you will be?
सरप्राइज होगा ना उसे देख के तो.
Yes, you will be very much surprised. Yes, if your childhood friend after a very long time if to your house, so how you will be? You will feel surprised. In the same way, Samir also felt not Samir, Ashmit also felt surprised. Okay, the next one, sixth one. Amy opened today's newspaper and read news of a 5-year-old getting raped. So he will be very disgusted, ashamed of, confused. After reading, he will some at for a moment he will be much blank. There will be only question in front of his mind. Yeah. So
यस.
there will be a feeling of disgust. Understood?
यस मैम.
Now, yeah. Just a moment. Huh? Now, emotions that are identified in above activity are happiness, sadness, anger, fear, surprise, disgust. Yes or no? We have
यस.
seen this emotion above examples. Now we are going to understand them one by one. So now you have to tell me much about the emotions. When I say happiness, so happiness, how you will define happiness in your own words?
ऑन फेस बिग स्माइल.
Yes, only a big smile. The
थोड़ा
feeling
रोना
of
धोना.
happiness.
आंखें.
Let me tell you whether the happiness will be a positive emotion or a negative emotion.
पॉजिटिव.
Positive emotion. Okay, fine. This will give a feeling of satisfaction or dissatisfaction to you.
व्हाट मैम? सेटिस्फेक्शन और
Satisfaction or dissatisfaction. A feeling of satisfaction or dissatisfaction.
सेटिस्फेक्शन.
Yes. So, what is happiness? Happiness is the positive emotion. When a person is having a positive emotion, he will be experiencing as satisfaction. He will be feeling satisfied. His containment, whatever he required or whatever he was wanted to, he have achieved that. He will be very joyful. And when a person is happy, a person's health is how will be the person health? A person will be healthy or ill.
व्हाट मैम?
When a person is happy, there is no tension in his mind. The person will be healthy, or the person will be sick.
हेल्दी.
So the person will be healthy. When a person is healthy with of happiness, he will be having a long life. Is it clear? Now, when we say sadness, yeah. So when we say
यस.
sadness is which kind of emotion?
होपलेस.
A positive or a negative?
नेगेटिव.
Hopeless. Okay, fine. So basically, when we say sadness, it's a negative kind of an emotion. It is when a person is having When a person is having a feeling of sadness, feelingness, feeling of sadness, he will be feeling as a disappointed. There will lack of confidence. He will be facing a feeling of disappointed, lack of confidence, as you have said, hopeless. He will be having such kind of feelings within himself कि मैं ये नहीं कर सकता हूँ, हमेशा मेरे साथ में ही बुरा होते रहता है. Yeah, you might find such kind of people around yourself
Yes.
that they are having negativity in them. Yes.
Yes.
So when a person is having sadness at a greater extent, what will happen? That person will be himself. A person will find into depression. अगर नेगेटिविटी सैडनेस अगर एक इंसान एक बड़े पैमाने पे है या बहुत ज्यादातर इसमें है तो क्या होता है एट पर्टिकुलर दिस पॉइंट पर्सन विल बी फाइंड इनटू डिप्रेशन एंड व्हिच इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू कोप अप विद. Understanding a person should be having an ability, even though there is a sadness within his life, he should able to give up and to move ahead in his life. समझ में आया?
Yes,
एंड
ma'am.
एवरी इमोशन इज नॉट स्टेबल. कोई इमोशन स्टेबल नहीं होता है लंबे तक. सैडनेस है तो हैप्पीनेस भी आएगा, हैप्पीनेस है तो एंगर भी होगा, फियर भी है. सो इट्स अ मिर्च मसाला ह्यूमन बिहेवियर. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, ma'am.
नाउ the third one is anger. Can you tell me about anger? Because you have given me an example that when I fight with some of my friends, I just get uh, a blank at one particular point. Anger is
Frustration
basically a
निकालती हूँ पूरा अपना.
emotion. Which kind of emotion? It's a
Negative.
नेगेटिव इमोशन. ओके, मैं बोलूंगी यहाँ पे पावरफुल इमोशन है. बिकॉज पावरफुल इमोशन ऐसा होता है बिकॉज इंसान गुस्से में फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाता है. एट दैट मोमेंट दे विल बी a different kind of a body language, a different kind of a expression. Yes, and he will be having a lot of question in his mind when he is talking. A person is having emotion, facial expression, body language. The tone of voice will also increase in a negative, in a very aggressive form. And what happens? It's a kind of an expression, or it's a kind of an emotion which is having a two-sided sword. Yes. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि आप गुस्सा हो जाते हो तो सामने वाला सुधर जाता है, लेकिन कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि आपके गुस्सा हो जाने पे वाला टेक्स इनटू आपका रिवेंज लेने के लिए वो रेडी हो जाता है. ही हैव
Yes.
टोल्ड मी दिस, तो मैं इसका बदला लूंगा ही. ऐसे होता है
Yes.
ना. सो इट्स अ टू साइडेड स्वॉर्ड. Understanding, it's a two sided sword. Anger is an emotion which is having be a two sided sword, which can be good also and which can be bad also.
Bad also.
Understood?
Yes.
Yes, Gauri?
Yes, ma'am.